Hi guys! Ito nga pala ang processional kahapon sa moving out ceremony of San Jacinto National High School. Welcome to the processional. Natatawa ako kasi yung binabantayan ko yung pamangkin ko sa processional tas hindi ko nakita. Lagpas na pala sa akin. Hindi ko tuloy na videohan. Hello Sis Grace. Ka-pretty talaga.
We praise you and we lift you up this day. We ask for your almighty hands to be upon our students as they and their families celebrate this grand milestone. Empower them to walk into the future.
At yan, awarding of certificates na nga. This time talagang binantayan ko na ang aking sister at ang aking pamangkin. Congratulations!